today I am going to talk about a very casual topic, that why we need to cancel or how can we cancel the PAN card of a person after the death in your family. So I will be sharing you the step-by-step guide that how can we cancel the PAN card of the concerned person who has died in your family. So before I move ahead to give you a gist as to a step-by-step guide as to how can we cancel the PAN card of the deceased person in your family, they need to understand that why it is important actually to cancel the PAN card of that person. When a loved one in your family passes away, their PAN card is still active and it can be very risky. It can be used to open the bank accounts or claim the tax refunds illegally. So this is basically an identity fraud. If the PAN card is not cancelled, the income tax department may still send you the notices in your name, right? So cancelling the PAN officially closes all the financial records in the income tax department. So now I'm going to tell you about the options to cancel the PAN card of the deceased person. So as I was talking earlier, that there are two options. Option number one is how can we cancel the PAN card through the assessing officer. Now, who is assessing officer? Assessing officer is a officer who sees or who do all the assessment of the income tax things. For detailed knowledge, you need to visit the income tax site for the same. Now, step number one is write a formal letter regarding the cancellation of the PAN card of the deceased person to the assessing officer. Step number two is you need to include all the details like the PAN card of the deceased person, the date of death of the deceased person, your relationship and all such details. Now you need to attach the PAN card of that particular person who has died, the death certificate of that person and the legal hires proof. And lastly, you need to submit all these details or all these documents either through post or you can visit the assessing officer in person for submitting such documents. Now, option number two is how can we cancel a PAN card through Form 49A, which is also called NSDL method. Step number one is we need to download Form 49A from the website www.tin-nsdl.com. Please take care of the website. As mentioned on the screen, you can also check it on that also. Step number two, tick the option PAN cancellation in that form. Step number three, fill the deceased person's PAN card details and sign it as a legal hire. Step number four, attach all the documents as mentioned on the screen and submit all the documents along with the form at the nearest NSDL center. Lastly, I would request you all that in case any member in your family has passed away, please do not leave this task undone and protect your family's legal and financial peace of mind.